Hi guys! For today's video, we're gonna be making a DIY bird cage. So guys, here are the materials. So while my dad is making the DIY bird cage, of course, his 4 babies are gonna be mischievous. So my dad is the one making the bird cage, my mom is assisting him, and I'm the camera girl. Actually guys, we didn't need a bird cage until my mom was doing laundry outside our house, and then she saw this little thing that was moving, and then it ended up being a cute bird, and of course my mom couldn't resist it and took it inside. But the bird was actually very calm. Actually guys, me and my family are pet lovers, so my grandfather insisted to buy the other bird a mate. So that's why we made a DIY bird cage. And if you guys saw that black little hairy thing in the corner of the video, that's my dog Jinwoo. And he's the most mischievous pet I've ever gotten. I still love him. He's my baby. So as you guys can see, my dad is tying the black strap. So guys, we actually had an broken electric fan, so my dad used the cover of the electric fan. Okay guys, so this is it. It's finally finished. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, my dad is making the entrance for the little birdies, but is actually bending the sharp end so the birds wouldn't get hurt. Now we are inserting the tree or the plant. Guys, while doing this, they had to cut the branch to actually fit the tree or plant inside. Okay, so we're almost near the finished result. Drum roll please. Okay guys, so there's Bluey and Greenie, and here's their cage. Aw, look how cute they are. So guys, that's the end of my vlog. Bye bye. See you guys on my next vlog, my next video, or my next live. Bye guys. Love you all.